Hi friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family is fine and well. Today we are going to learn about Unix operating system. So mostly in servers today's world they will install Unix operating system as their default OS. In our laptop we have Windows operating system. In server they will mostly use this Unix operating system. So, Unix operating system is developed in 1969 at ETT Bell's Labs Research Center by Ken Thompson, Dennis Riste and others. Why people use or servers use mostly this Unix operating system? Because of these following features. So we'll see one by one. Okay. First we'll see the theory part, we'll see the commands theory part also. I will show you by executing each and every command along with different options. First we'll see the feature of Unix operating system. So it is open source. Okay, it is freely available on net. You can easily be able to download from net. Okay, so only Linux version is open source. Then it is multi-user, means at same time multiple users can access this particular Unix operating system. Okay, so you can see here I have given the definition also. So operating system that permits several users to access a single system. Okay, then multitasking. So at the same time multiple tasks can be done. Like we have Windows application, we are doing some work on WordPad. Now along with that we are be able to play music also. Like at the same time we will be able to implement multiple tasks. So same here also, in Unix operating system we will be able to perform multiple tasks at same time. Okay, then foreground process. So foreground process can communicate with the user via the screen and the keyboard. Then background process. Process that disconnects from the terminal and cannot communicate with the user. Next, pipelining. With the help of pipelining, we can be able to send the output of one command as an input to another command. Pipelining will be understand better while seeing the practical class. Pattern matching. Algorithms that are used to figure out whether a specific string patterns occur in a file. Let's suppose I am having a file which contains employee name. Now my requirement is I want to find those employee name whose name is starting with S character. So that type of requirement I can easily will be able to implement with the help of pattern matching commands. Then next, shell scripting. So in Unix operating system we have programming language. We will write our programs that will help us to automate our task. Okay, so these are the features of our Unix operating system. Now we'll see our architecture of Unix operating system. Kernel. Okay, so you can say core of Unix operating system, or so application going to communicate with hardware by the help of kernel. Okay, so kernel is written in C++ language. Then next, what is shell? Okay, so it is the intermediate thing between user and kernel, because kernel does not understand the language of user. Okay, so this shell, what it will do, it will convert the user language, okay, into kernel understandable language. System will be able to allocate different cell to different users. Okay, then next is application. So what is application? This is the outermost layer with which user can interact. Okay, it will help the user to execute the commands. Okay, so we'll see what is command and what different type of commands present in our Unix operating system. Friends, this is the architecture of our Unix operating system. So here you can observe there are multiple users are there who are interacting with kernel. So these are the cells, okay, which are converting users instruction into kernel understandable language. This is our Unix architecture. Then next, advantage of Unix operating system. It is robust, scalable, reliable, and it is secured operating system. Then next, disadvantage of Unix operating system. It is command oriented operating system. Everything you can do with the help of command only. If you want to move from one folder to another or from one directory to another, you need to execute command for that also. So if you do not know command, it will be very difficult for you to use Unix operating system. We'll see all the commands one by one in the coming topics. So what is command? So commands are nothing but set of instructions. Okay, so these are the examples of commands. So this is cal command, mkdir command, cat command, and etc. We have many different type of commands in our Unix operating system which have different works. So this cal command. So if you want to display, if you want to print calendar in Unix operating system, so we'll execute cal command. If you want to create folder, means directory, okay, in Windows will create folder that will call as directory in Unix operating system. Okay, so remember this. In Windows we have folder, in Unix operating system will call folder as directory. Then cat command, if you want to read any file, then we'll use cat command. We'll see one by one different commands of our Unix operating system which will help us to work with Unix operating system. See many more commands and then we'll see all the execution of these commands along with option in the coming videos. So I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe channel.